So the great Freedom Day sale has started, and if you still haven't purchased a 70mm dash camera, you're missing out one of the biggest discounts that's available on these particular dash cams. Starting off with the flagship 70mm dash cam, that's the 70mm T800. So this is a dual starvis to dual 4K camera offering you a 3-channel setup. So this camera does provide you a front and a rear 4K back to the starvis to IMX678 along with a full HD interior camera. This gets a 3-channel HDR and also supports memory cards up to 512GB, along with providing you a real-time ADAS display, gets voice control, gets GPS, gets Wi-Fi 6 and also transfer speeds of 40 MB per second. This dashcam is super capacitor based and not battery based as previous 70mm cameras used to be. But the best part of this camera is not its features but the current price. That's the huge discount being offered on the T800. So the current pricing, the sale pricing of this camera stands at 37,999, that's 38,000 rupees, and currently it's available with a huge discount of close to 2,000 rupees, bringing down the price to 35,999 along with giving you some extra cashback. So you're practically getting a nearly 40,000 worth of camera at a price of close to 35,000 rupees. So this is the ultimate 70mm dash cam to go for, and the purchase link to get this right now is given in the description of this video. Go ahead and grab it straight away. Moving on to the next best camera that's available from 70mm, the 70mm Omni X800 or the 70mm Omni 4K. Again, this is one of the cameras which I've personally tried and tested out, and this stands out among all the other cameras because of its automatic 360-degree rotatable feature. This camera shoots a native 4K resolution from the front back to the starvis 2 sensor and also gets a full HD rear camera, which too gets a starvis 2 IMX662 sensor. So this camera also gets a GPS, ADAS and a AI motion detection feature within parking mode. So basically anybody approaching the car from the front will get detected by the camera, and the camera will basically track the person's movement surrounding the car. So this is a feature which has never been seen before in any dashcam, and if you're in particularly looking for such a tracking feature while in parking mode, the 70mm Omni 4K is definitely the choice for you. So the 70mm Omni 4K is currently trending at 32,999, that's about 33,000 rupees, but with the discount, with the credit card discount, you can grab it at a price of 30,999, that's 31,000 rupees. Along with the fact that you also get some extra cash back which will bring down the price to close to 30,000. So this camera was originally launched at a price of 35,000 rupees, and getting it at a 30k price range is definitely one of the best drops in the prices and best deals which you can get on a 70mm dashcam right now. Moving on to the next best camera, the 70mm A810, the original pioneer of a native 4K resolution camera coming under the 20,000 price segment. This has been one of my favorite cameras since the time it has launched, and it's been quite some time since this camera has been trending. And of course this camera continues to offer a flawless 4K video quality from the front. Additionally, this camera also offers you a 3-inch display, ADAS features, GPS and also G sensor based emergency recording. But what's best about this camera is that this camera originally came at 20,000 rupees pricing. Now in the sale it's currently priced at 18,000 rupees, but with the additional credit card discount you can get this camera at a price of 17,000 rupees only. That's nearly 3,000 rupee worth of discount on the 70mm A810. You probably won't get this camera at such a low price at any other point of time except this great freedom sale. Moving on to the next best camera and India's favorite dash cam, the 70mm A510, the most hottest selling camera from 70mm in India right now. Probably no other camera, no other brand can match what the 70mm A510 has done. Originally this camera priced at 13,000 rupees, 13 to 14,000, currently is available at a price of about 11,800. But with the extra credit card discount, which is the biggest discount I've seen on this camera, you can get this at a price of close to 9,600 rupees only. That means nearly 2,000 rupee worth of discount on the sale price. Additionally, you can get some cash back that can actually bring the value to even lesser, probably 9,000. Have you seen the 70mm A510, a starvis 2 based dual channel camera trending at 9,000, that too from a brand of 70mm? This is the ideal and this is the most amazing time to grab this camera. If you're looking to get the A510 for yourself, use the link given in the description, head to Amazon and just get this camera. You probably will never get this at such a low price point. Moving on to the last dashcam in this list, to those who are looking for a budget option under the price bracket of 5,000, no, under the price bracket of 3,000 rupees. I'm talking about the 70mm M200, originally priced at 5,000. This is currently trending at 3,600 rupees. Along with the credit card discount on some cashback, you can probably get it at close to 3,200 to 3,300 rupees. Now do note that this is the only camera in the budget segment to give you a starvis 2 sensor, specifically the IMX662, giving you a flawless number plate readability even during night time. So all the popular 70mm cameras are currently under huge discount, and do note that the links to purchase all of these cameras are given in the description of this video. Do not waste a single more second of your time. Grab these 70mm cameras with a huge discounts and save yourself a lot of money. All the purchase links are right down below. If you do have any doubts or queries regarding any of the cameras, just write it down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if you feel this video needs to help other people, to share this video with all your friends who are looking to buy the best 70mm cameras in this great freedom sale. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.